Welcome to Smacky's Garage. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to work on turning this into a green screen. So what I want to do today is I want to look at how to turn anything into a green screen. So I went to Home Depot, I picked up some paint, and we're going to try it out to see if we can make it work with Final Cut Pro or any software that you're using to create a green screen. So let's go ahead and let's start taking a look at what we bought. So we got this license plate off Amazon. It comes glossy. We're gonna have to take a Scotch-Brite pad and we're gonna have to take this gloss off. We got this paint from Home Depot. You can see it's a BEHR paint and primer. It is a sparkling apple color. Doesn't taste like apple, but it's apple. We have a mixing stick, and then we have a roller. So what I did is I got a standard roller. I got a smaller one. This is used for doing kitchen cabinets. My thinking here was if I can knock down any of the texture on it, it would be good. By using a brush, the paint needs to be thin enough so that it spreads out evenly. By using this, I'm hoping I can get a little bit of a more even texture when I paint over it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this license plate. We're first gonna take all the shine off of it, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to paint it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start mixing the paint and I'm gonna put it in here and then we'll start rolling. So this paint I got from Home Depot. It was a custom color, so they just had to mix online. I think it's gonna work well. We're gonna have to try it and see. Oh man, this stuff is thick. It looks bright right now, but I'm hoping it dries a little bit darker. Now it's pretty well mixed, if I have to say. So I'm gonna pour way too much in this and then I'm gonna use it to paint it. Now that I have that in here, I'll take it. With this completely sanded down and all the gloss off, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try rolling some on. This paint's pretty thick. Probably could have thinned it out some before I put it on. Now I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. I'm going to hope that it ends up leveling out some. So I ended up putting one coat on, as you saw in the video. Probably put on a little bit heavier than I needed to. Then I went back and I did it vertically. So I did it in the other orientation to make sure that there's no white showing through. It ended up turning out pretty good. And you can see here that even though you can see some texture, you won't be able to notice it in the video. Now we're going to quickly look at how to make this work in Final Cut. You'll notice in the top row, I have the A roll, or where the green screen is. And then in the bottom row, I have the video that I want to show through the green screen. You need to find the keyer under all video effects and then put it on top of the green screened footage. Now after we've done that, you can start seeing the footage play through when I'm skimming through the above footage. You can see it's actually showing through it. All right, so we're painted green. We're not screwed onto the car, but we're on top of the license plate. So, can you see that? Is it white? Now, I guess the big question is, did it work? What do you know? It works. Now, this is something that's gonna be good to have on the car, that if I wanna put a subscribe notification or something on there, maybe I wanna hide something in the video, I can. So, it's something really cool and really unique to do. Thanks for tuning in today on Smacky's Garage.